I find myself traveling for work more than usual this spring, so I really need to get clear on what sort of outfits I can put together for those travels. The purpose of any capsule wardrobe is to maximize the number of outfits one can create while minimizing the number of pieces hanging in the closet. And this generally means mixing and matching as much as possible, so the color palette needs to be cohesive. And in this capsule wardrobe, I'm working with two basic colors, black and beige. This is for a warm neutral skin tone, but if you're a cool neutral skin tone, then just substitute the beige for gray. Now, I'm a full-time practicing lawyer, so the basis of any female lawyer's wardrobe is a black sheath dress. When I am in court, I always wear the black sheath dress with a blazer, and this is the black blazer that I've settled on for this spring. Now, I understand that the lawyer uniform, as we call it, is more polished and professional than what most jobs require, but I am including in this capsule wardrobe some more business casual outfits that we will get to soon. I really love this dress because of the belt around the waist. It just gives me a little hiding in the tummy area if I need it. And this is my lawyer uniform, as we call it. Black sheath dress, black blazer, black pumps. It seems antiquated, but lawyers are still judged by their appearance and the quality of their suit. If a lawyer is wearing a nice suit and looks polished and professional, then it conveys a message that the lawyer has won many cases and done well for their clients. One of the things I find myself needing in the spring is a lightweight coat when I'm walking into the courthouse. Gone are the days of heavy winter coats, and this lighter trench coat is quite practical and versatile. I love this one because it has an A-line and it adds a feminine touch to an otherwise masculine wardrobe piece. But once I'm out of the courtroom, I can switch up my blazer colors, and here I'm opting for the light beige blazer for meetings and conferences. To be clear for lawyers, when we are in court, we are limited to 3 colors: black, gray, and navy. Brown is pushing it. So I would only wear this lighter blazer with the sheath dress once I am out of court. Adding a black button-up cardigan to the black sheath dress not only adds some warmth, but it also makes it more casual. And once I'm out of the courtroom, I am free to switch over to some more comfortable wedge heels like these. I love how ladylike this cardigan is. It certainly has that ladycoat cardigan feel to it. And it's an Amazon buy, so it will not break the bank. Now I'm going to swap out the black ladycoat cardigan for an ivory version of the same cardigan. By adding 2 colors to the outfit, this adds some depth and dimension. It also adds some interest, not to mention some warmth for those days in spring when it's a little chillier than usual. This beige cardigan is one of my favorite wardrobe pieces. It is so soft and it is so versatile. Here I'm wearing it with a black sheath dress, but you will also see me wear it with jeans. You'll see me wear it with ankle pants later on and also with a skirt. I just love everything about this. It was money well spent. I won't be showing you every item in the capsule wardrobe today, but I wanted to go through some quickly. Button-up shirts, here I have white and baby blue. Talk about the baby blue more in a minute. Sweater t-shirts, on the left is beige and on the right is black. Layering tanks are a part of any capsule wardrobe for seasons for me. They just come in handy. Black trousers and black ankle pants. The ankle pants are more casual. The trousers are for more formal settings. And then beige ankle pants and beige trousers, same thing. The ankle pants can be worn with flat shoes for a more business casual setting, and the trousers for more professional. And I'm putting this black midi travel skirt in here. It's not something I can wear to work, but I think most people could wear this in a business casual setting. I did an entire video on ways to style this blue button-up shirt. That's how much I love it. I am wearing a tailored slim fit button-up here. It's more polished, more put together, especially if you're going to wear your shirt untucked. Like midlife women, we do like to wear our shirts untucked because Mother Nature gives us a little extra in the midlife years. But here I'm going to pair it with the blazer for a slightly elevated business look, certainly not to the level of courtroom because I'm wearing flat shoes. But as for shoes, I do show flat shoes for the most part because many of you ladies have said you either can't wear heels anymore or you just don't want to bother with heels anymore. So most of what I show is flat shoes, and these are almost as comfortable as my sneakers, these loafers are. And in this look, I'm just swapping out the black blazer for the more casual lady coat cardigan. Certainly a business casual. If you're on your feet and on the go, this is a look for you because the loafers are very comfortable. In this outfit, I'm showing how that beige cardigan looks with the black ankle pants. It pairs nicely with the layering tank and also the flat loafers for a very comfortable but still polished and put together business look. One of my most favorite chic color combinations is black and beige. There is something just inherently stylish about the color combination. And while I love the tonal on top look here, I also love the black cap on these heels. These heels are called running heels because they're that comfortable. But a very chic, very polished look for spring. this point in the year, we're still in the late months of winter and approaching spring, but I think it's okay to start lightening up your color palette in your wardrobe. This blue button-up is a good piece to do that. And I love the light colors of the beige and blue together. It reminds me of seashells and the ocean. Taking this look a step further, I am layering over top the beige blazer. And I just look how polished and very Florida look here in my Florida home. I just love how this looks. I can't wear it to court, but I can certainly wear it to the office and to meetings and conferences. And again, I'm wearing wedge heels here for comfort instead of pumps. These actual beige ankle pants that I'm showing you are not back in stock yet for spring, so I will link to a similar pair that I found. I have them paired with the loafers here because the loafers are so comfortable, almost as comfortable as my sneakers, and I love how the color of the blue button-up goes with the beige pants. Continuing the beige color palette with the trench coat. As we get into the late weeks of winter and the early weeks of spring, we don't need a heavy wool winter coat anymore, and a trench coat is more practical. While it can be masculine, it can also be overwhelming on petite frames. For reference, I'm barely 5'1", so this is the perfect length for a trench coat for me. And finally, the black travel skirt. It is wrinkle-free, it packs well. It's not something that I can wear in any form of my work, but I included it to remind me to switch it out for after work, but I think many of you would be able to wear this for your business casual dress code. And here I'm just showing how it pairs with various cardigans in the capsule wardrobe. But the next look might be my favorite in the entire capsule wardrobe. It's the black tank, the black skirt, and the beige blazer. Again, it's that very chic color palette, and this is a good outfit for after dinner, or after work, and maybe for 5 o'clock drinks. Until we meet again, my friends,